First, use the color-coded size chart to find the right setting for your baby's height. For newborns, this will be the narrowest setting. Match the red tabs on both sides. Next, fold the head and neck support panel inward for the newborn position. Feed the loops through the holes and button them in place. Make sure the seat is set to inward facing by moving both adjusters outward for a wider seat. Newborns should always face inward. Loosen the shoulder straps so the carrier is ready to put on. Keep the buckles fastened or unbuckle if needed. Wrap the waist belt at your natural waist, a little higher for newborns so baby stays close enough to kiss. Buckle it, making sure the buckle sits under the safety strap and the webbing feeds out over the top. Rotate the belt so the buckle sits at your back, then tighten the straps by pulling them out and away from your body until it feels snug and supportive. Place baby on your chest facing you. Use one hand to bring the carrier panel up around baby and hold it in place. For H straps, bring both straps over your shoulders one at a time while keeping one hand on baby. Once baby feels secure, reach behind and clip the buckle at the back of your neck. For X straps, bring one strap over your shoulder, switch hands while keeping one hand on baby, then reach across your body and clip it to the opposite side. Repeat on the other side. Reposition baby by rotating their hips so their knees sit higher than their bottom, creating an M shape. The baby should be centered and their thighs should feel supported from knee to knee. Finally, tighten all straps until baby feels snug and close to your body. Before heading out, use the T.I.C.K.S check. Make sure baby is tight and secure. In view at all times. Close enough to kiss, with their chin off their chest, and their back supported in an upright position. Keep checking in on baby every few minutes while you're out.